That's wonderful. EQ, excellent. Yamo, wonderful. Tom is not going to eat Jerry today. You're doing great. Well done. So, I'm going to put on my big white glasses. Are they white?
No.
What are they? They're my black glasses, that's right. I'm going to put on my big reading hat. And I take my black pen.
No. Red pen.
What is it?
Red pen.
It's my red pen. And my pink clipboard.
No.
What is it? My blue clipboard. My dark blue clipboard. Wow, Prim. You said dark blue clipboard. It's my dark blue clipboard. Now, listen. If I say your name, if you think it's your name, you raise your hand and say, "Hi, Jay." So let's go first. Wait. So, let me sit here. Hi, Jay.
Hi, Jay.
Well done. Oh.
Hi, Jay.
Well done. An.
Run.
Hi, Jay. Good.
Pim.
Say hi. Ing. Hi.
No.
Hi, Jay. Ing. Hi. You.
Hi, Jay.
You. Well done. You.
Hi, Jay.
Well done. In.
Hi, Jay.
Hi. Orange. I.
Hi, Jay.
Orange. I. Wow, very good. Ow. Hi. On. Ow. On cow. Excellent. 13 kids. Well done, everybody. Thumbs up. Very good. Okay.